Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pin printers and scanners icon to start menu in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button icon with a start, and then you need to go to settings. This window should be successfully displayed here, but we are interested in to open devices, Bluetooth printers and mouse options, so I will do it now. And here we need to find on the left panel printers and scanners options. We need to click right mouse button here, and now we need to click on option pin to start. Then this window should be successfully displayed here, and you have here question: do you want to pin this tile to start? If you are sure that you want to do it, you need to click yes button, and after that printers and scanners option will be successfully added to start menu. You can easily check it by clicking on start, and on the right side you can find printers and scanners option. And it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and I will be grateful if you buy me coffee from link in description.